Have you ever wondered if it's really possible to become wealthy when you're starting from absolutely nothing? The idea might sound far-fetched, especially if you didn't inherit a fortune or didn't attend a prestigious school. But here's the thing: you don't need to be born into wealth or have extraordinary intelligence to achieve financial success. In fact, with the right mindset, strategy, and determination, making your first million is more attainable than you might think. Today, we're diving deep into the practical steps you can take to turn your financial dreams into reality, even if you're starting from scratch. The journey to becoming a millionaire isn't just about luck, it's about taking actionable steps, making smart decisions, and staying committed. So let's explore how you can start building your wealth from the ground up. 1. Transform your mindset. The very first step in becoming wealthy is changing your mindset. Your beliefs about money and your own potential play a crucial role in your success. If you constantly tell yourself that you'll never make it or that wealth is out of reach, you're setting yourself up for failure. The truth is, the road to becoming a millionaire starts with believing that it's possible. Cultivate a mindset that embraces opportunities, believes in your potential, and sees challenges as chances to grow. 2. Do the math. Let's get practical. How can you make $1 million? It's simpler than it sounds. For instance, if you sell a product for $100, you need 10,000 sales to reach $1 million. Alternatively, selling a $200 product to 5,000 people will also get you there. The key is to have a clear, actionable plan. Whether you're starting a business or investing in something, break down your financial goals into manageable steps and calculate exactly what you need to achieve them. 3. Build multiple income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky and limiting. The wealthiest individuals often have multiple income streams. Diversify your earnings by exploring various avenues such as investing in stocks, starting an online business, or offering freelance services. For example, you could invest in real estate, start a blog, or take up a side job that aligns with your skills. The more income sources you have, the more secure and scalable your financial growth becomes. 4. Learn a high-income skill. One of the fastest ways to increase your earning potential is by acquiring a high-income skill. A high-income skill is something you can master and use to command significant fees. Skills like copywriting, digital marketing, or software development can earn you upwards of $10,000 a month. The best part, many resources to learn these skills are available online for free or at a low cost. Master your chosen skill, find clients or opportunities, and watch your income grow. 5. Network with the right people. Who you surround yourself with can significantly impact your success. Instead of isolating yourself, connect with individuals who have achieved the financial goals you're aiming for. Engage with mentors, join industry groups, and attend networking events. For instance, if you're interested in investing, join forums or groups where seasoned investors share their insights. Being in the right circles can provide you with valuable advice, opportunities, and partnerships. 6. Practice smart saving. Spending money impulsively can derail your financial progress. Develop a habit of saving and investing wisely. Allocate a specific portion of your income to savings and investments, ideally around 10%. Avoid extravagant purchases and focus on building a solid financial foundation. Open a separate savings account and treat it as untouchable, only to be used for investment opportunities or essential needs. 7. Invest wisely. Investing is a crucial component of building wealth. However, it's essential to diversify your investments to manage risk effectively. Instead of putting all your money into one stock or venture, spread it across various assets. For example, you might invest in a mix of stocks, real estate, and bonds. Diversification helps cushion against market fluctuations and potential losses. Think of it like planting several seeds in different fields. You increase the chances that some will thrive. 8. Avoid debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial success. It ties you to obligations that can hinder your ability to build wealth. If you're tempted to borrow money for a business venture or personal project, reconsider. Start your ventures only when you have the necessary funds. Being debt-free means you retain control over your financial decisions and can focus on growing your wealth rather than paying off loans. Money, in itself, isn't inherently good or bad. It's a tool that we use to achieve our goals and improve our lives. Once you have enough to cover your needs, invest in your personal growth and use your resources to help others. The journey to becoming wealthy involves more than just accumulating money. It's about using it wisely and making a positive impact. So, if you're ready to start changing your financial future, remember, take actionable steps, stay committed, and never lose sight of your goals. Your path to wealth begins now. Thanks for joining me on this journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on achieving financial success. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.